Hello everybody. Today we're exploring one of the most exciting Chinese motorhomes of 2026, the all-new FOR JOURNEY Wuyou 3.0 Pro, built on the reliable Sinotruk HOWO Commander chassis. At less than 6 meters long, it packs features rarely found even in much larger RVs. An incredible rear drop-down terrace, a fully equipped outdoor kitchen, a home cinema with a huge screen, a washing machine, and even 2 refrigerators make this motorhome ready for comfortable adventures almost anywhere. Let's take a closer look. One of the clever features is this large pass-through storage compartment with access from both sides of the motorhome. Loading and unloading your gear is quick and convenient, while the generous space easily accommodates camping equipment, outdoor furniture, and everything you need for extended adventures. The outdoor kitchen is designed to make cooking outside both easy and enjoyable. It features a powerful gas burner, an induction cooktop for added flexibility, a practical sink for washing dishes, and a generous work surface for preparing meals. Whether it's a quick breakfast or a full dinner under the open sky, everything you need is right here. Right next to the kitchen, you'll find another practical storage compartment with 2 pull-out drawers, perfect for keeping smaller camping essentials neatly organized. Beside it is an outdoor shower with both hot and cold water. Just below is the filling point for the impressive 400-liter fresh water tank, providing outstanding water autonomy for extended off-grid adventures. And now it's time for the feature that truly sets this motorhome apart. At the touch of a button, the rear automatically folds down into a spacious outdoor terrace, creating an incredible place to relax and enjoy the view. Above it, a retractable awning provides welcome shade, turning the area into a comfortable outdoor lounge. There's also a second side awning that covers the entire outdoor kitchen, allowing you to cook outside while staying protected from the sun or light rain. Together, these features transform the space around the motorhome into a true open-air living area. Now let's step inside and see what this motorhome has to offer. Right at the entrance, the door is equipped with a built-in trash bin and a retractable privacy screen, adding convenience to everyday camping life. As you walk in, you're welcomed by a bright and spacious dining area that immediately creates a warm, home-like atmosphere. From here, the living space flows naturally toward the rear terrace. With the large opening connecting the interior and the outdoor platform, the entire motorhome feels even more open and inviting. It's the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee, share dinner with friends, or simply relax while taking in the scenery after a day of travel. The bathroom features a practical all-in-one layout that combines the shower and toilet into a single, well-designed space. Every detail has been carefully considered to create a modern and comfortable environment for everyday use on the road. Starting from the floor, you'll notice the elegant wooden shower grate. It not only gives the bathroom a warm residential feel, but also keeps your feet comfortably above any remaining water after a shower. A full-size handheld shower provides the same comfort you'd expect at home, making it easy to freshen up after a long day of travel. All of the bathroom fixtures are finished in stylish matte black, giving the entire room a premium and contemporary appearance. There's also a heated towel rail, ensuring your towels stay warm, dry, and ready to use, even during cooler weather. Below, a compact sink with a modern faucet includes a pull-out spray head, making it much more convenient for washing your hands, cleaning the sink, or even rinsing larger items. Natural light enters through the large side window, which is equipped with both a mosquito screen and a blackout blind. Whether you're parked in nature or at a campsite, you can enjoy fresh air while maintaining complete privacy. Above the window is a spacious overhead cabinet, offering plenty of room for toiletries, cosmetics, towels, and other bathroom essentials, helping keep everything neatly organized. Looking up, the ceiling features a ventilation fan that quickly removes moisture and keeps fresh air circulating throughout the room after every shower. One of the highlights is the large wall-mounted mirror. It features touch-sensitive controls for the integrated LED lighting, allowing you to switch between warm and cool light depending on the time of day or your personal preference. The kitchen has been designed to offer the comfort and functionality of a modern home, making everyday cooking on the road both simple and enjoyable. At the center is an induction cooktop that provides fast, efficient, and easy-to-clean cooking. Above the countertop, 2 large overhead cabinets offer generous storage for dishes, groceries, spices, and all of your everyday kitchen essentials. One of the most impressive features is the pair of refrigerators located beneath the countertop. Having 2 separate refrigerators is a real advantage for long journeys. You can organize your food much more efficiently by storing fresh ingredients in one compartment, while keeping drinks, snacks, or ready-to-eat meals in the other. Right beside the refrigerators is a built-in microwave oven for quick meal preparation and reheating. The large sink features both a standard kitchen faucet and a dedicated drinking water tap, giving you convenient access to clean filtered water at any time. A large window above the countertop fills the kitchen with natural daylight, while providing excellent ventilation during cooking. Completing the layout is an additional storage cabinet, making full use of every available inch and creating a kitchen that feels practical, spacious, and ready for everyday living. Directly opposite the kitchen is another feature rarely found in motorhomes of this size: a full-size 10-kilogram washing machine with both washing and drying functions. It allows you to do laundry whenever it's convenient, making long journeys far more comfortable and reducing the amount of clothing you need to bring. Above the washing machine is a large wardrobe with a hanging rail, providing plenty of space for jackets, shirts, dresses, and other clothes. Together, these features make everyday life on the road feel much more like home. But the real highlight of this area is the built-in home theater system. A projector is mounted overhead, and at the touch of a button, a huge projection screen lowers into place, transforming the dining area into a true private cinema. Whether you're watching movies, streaming your favorite series, or enjoying a sporting event, the experience is far beyond what you'd normally expect inside a motorhome. The spacious dinette is designed to serve multiple purposes throughout the day. During travel and mealtimes, it provides a comfortable seating area for relaxing or dining together. When it's time to sleep, the seats quickly transform into an additional bed, creating extra sleeping space for guests or family members. For year-round comfort, the living area is also equipped with a full-size Xiaomi air conditioner. It keeps the interior pleasantly cool on hot summer days, making the lounge an inviting place to relax, no matter where your journey takes you. Now let's take a look at the technical side of the FOR JOURNEY Wuyou 3.0 Pro and see what powers this impressive motorhome. Built on the reliable Sinotruk HOWO Commander chassis, it is powered by a 2.5-liter turbo diesel engine, producing 170 horsepower, paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission. The motorhome measures 5,995 millimeters in length, 2,490 millimeters in width, and approximately 3.1 meters in height, while the 3,300 millimeter wheelbase provides excellent stability and driving comfort. One of its biggest strengths is its impressive level of self-sufficiency. The 400-liter freshwater tank and 120-liter gray water tank allow for extended off-grid adventures. A dual water pump system ensures a reliable water supply throughout the vehicle, while the high-pressure outdoor shower is perfect for rinsing off after the beach, hiking, or any outdoor activity. A powerful 5,000-watt combined heating and hot water system with a temperature maintenance function keeps the interior comfortable in every season. The electrical system is equally impressive. Buyers can choose between 24-volt or 48-volt architecture with optional lithium battery capacity of up to 25 kilowatt-hours, or a dual generator charging system paired with an additional 15 kilowatt-hour battery pack. A 6,000-watt pure sine wave inverter, 1,950 watts of rooftop solar panels, and an external 220-volt power connection provide exceptional energy independence. While driving, the onboard system can continuously supply up to 5,000 watts of electrical power. The FOR JOURNEY Wuyou 3.0 Pro proves that a motorhome under 6 meters long can still deliver premium comfort, outstanding autonomy, and innovative features usually found only in much larger luxury RVs. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next motorhome review.